Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Hazur, my name is Ashir Ahmed and I am from Leicester Jamaat in East Midlands and I am 13 years old. Hazur, my question is, how can we care for elderly people in our daily life?
How can we care for elderly people in our daily life? You see, we should look after them. Those who are your immediate relatives, your grandparents, even your uncles, your father's uncles, your mother's uncles, or their elder brothers and sisters, you should, if they need your help, you should help them. And if you have a chance to help and serve those elderly people, if some elderly person, your grandparents, any of your grandparents or both of them are living with you, you should try to help them, serve them, sit with them and listen to them, because at this age, because your parents are very busy. Your mother will be busy at home doing your household work, and your father will be busy outside, and they will come back home, they are tired, or even after doing the house work, your mother also will be tired. So you can, after coming from school, after doing your homework and all these things, you should give some time to your parents, listen to them, speak to them. So in this way you can emotionally help them and they will be happy. They will pray for you. So you need the prayers of your parents and grandparents. So in this way you will also get their prayers, and that will also help you to get success in your life. Right?
Yes.
Yeah? So, okay.
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Jazakumullah.